Good morning, children. I hope you are doing well. This assignment is for class 5 for the subject of general knowledge, chapter 1, strange marine creatures, being submitted to you on 5th April 2021. Note for the parents. In this chapter, the students will learn about various species of marine animals. Parents may show the pictures included in this chapter to their wards on a computer or mobile phone to show the colors of various marine creatures. Today, we are going to learn about some strange marine creatures that look like as if not from this world. Number 1 is Halitephis messy jellyfish. This brightly colored sea dweller, dubbed the Halitephis messy jellyfish, lives in the eastern Pacific Ocean and is rarely seen by humans. So what is the behind its stunning array of colors? Canals that move nutrients through the jellyfish's body reflect light to make this brilliant display. Number 2 is Blob Sculpin. The Blob Sculpin, the deep water equivalent of grummy cat, is a miserable looking fish that lives in very deep water in both the North Pacific and Bering Sea. While this bottom feeder may look perpetually bored or bummed out, they actually keep pretty busy on the ocean floors. Sculpins fan their eggs to keep them free of sand, which is an unusual behavior for the deep sea fish, who tend to be a bit more lax when it comes to parenting their offsprings. Number 3 is Christmas tree worms. Christmas tree worms, which can be found in warm tropical waters ranging from Caribbean to Indonesia, earned their name from the tree-like appendages that protrude from their tops. The part of this worm that looks like a Christmas tree is actually its mouth. However, and the feathery bits are tentacles that push food towards its digestive apparatus. Number 4 is Fangtooth. Sharks are the only terrifyingly to the residents of the ocean. Think again. In fact, adult fangtooth, commonly found around the world in tropical and cold temperature waters, have the largest teeth of any fish in the ocean, proportionate to body size. But do not worry. Your fears of a fangtooth attack are largely unfounded. They live in the deep sea, and although their teeth look enormous, a large fangtooth is only 6 inches long. Next is number 5, Gulper Eel. Despite its name and eel-like appearance, the Gulper eel isn't a true eel. It is just another kind of fish. Gulper eels, which live in ocean depth of up to 10,000 feet, do have one extraordinary feature aside from their frightening teeth, that is bioluminescence. They have also got another trick up their proverbial sleeves. Because of their distinctive jaws, some gulper eels can actually consume prey that's bigger than they are. Next is number 6, vampire squid. The vampire squid lives at ocean depth of 2,000 to 3,000 feet. It got its name from its webbing, which it can turn inside out and cover itself with it like a vampire's black cloak when it needs to hide. Its webbing is also covered with the fleshy spines, and if the vampire squid gets agitated enough, it will shoot blue bioluminescent mucus out of its armpit tips, today's predators, so it can swim away into darkness. Number 7 is terrible claw lobster. With just one look, it's pretty obvious how the terrible claw lobster got its name. This creature was only discovered in 2007, 850 feet below the surface of the coast of Philippines. It is certainly creepy looking, but you don't have to worry about finding yourself caught in its claws. In addition to being completely blind, it is also only an inch long, minus the terrible claws. Number 8 is frilled shark. The frilled shark, an inhabitant of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, with a shark-like head and somewhat snake-like body, probably doesn't live deep enough in the ocean for most beach-goers' liking. In fact, frilled sharks are frequently spotted in water as shallow as 160 feet deep. It's frequently described as a living fossil, with the oldest frilled shark fossil remnant dating back more than 2.5 million years ago. Number 9 is Leafy Sea Dragon. This might look like a drifting piece of kelp, but it is actually a leafy sea dragon, which is found off the southern and western coasts of Australia. They are nicknamed Leafies and are the marine emblem of South Australia. And while their cool-looking fins may seem like a means of propelling the sea dragon through the water, they are actually only used as a mean of conflict. Triggerfish, the toothy fellow. The triggerfish lives in tropical and subtropical waters throughout the world. From the side, triggerfish may be pretty cute thanks to their bright colors, but head-on, their human-like teeth make their appearance significantly less friendly. Number 11 is Dumbo Octopus. The little Dumbo Octopus is so named because its two big fins are reminiscent of Dumbo floppy ears, which they flap to swim around. Unfortunately for those hoping to see one of these adorable little guys in the wild, they live at depths below 9,000 feet. So you won't spot one even if you are record breaking scuba divers. That's all for today, children. One exercise is being given, which you have to match the marine creature with their names only. I hope you like the topic. That's all for today. Have a nice day.